Citroen's horse.
Hello guys, it's the Morons Hacks, and in today's video let's go drive Citroen ZX Z-Co. This is the key, no central walking from a key, it's a no technology, you know. Okay, let's drive this cheap shitty car. Perfect start, heating is working. Recently I changed this. This was for the pedal of the clutch here, and the pedal clutch was down to the ground, so I have to change this thing in order to have clutch working again. Otherwise I was shifting with this nice little shifter. I was starting on first gear, and when I have to stop I was just turning the power off. But now I have changed this and we're ready to go. This 70 horsepower will prove us. Okay, people looking strange on a guy in a 92 Citroen which films with the GoPro as if he is driving a Ferrari. Full throttle and traffic lights. In old cars, you know, everything is being seen. You cannot hide from the others because safety is not on the same level as on the new cars, which have really high position of the doors and the side panels and the front dashboard. Here you're exposed to everything. And like we joke with my brother, you're ready to bump your chest into the next front car. So real man cars are the old cars, because if you crash, the possibility of serious injury or death is really high. But you see everything outside. We can see the ground, we can see in front. Very good, clear vision. Nice old school. Wheel horn is here on the left. Little taka 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 by the engine. And first gear, full throttle. Second gear. It's wide, really. It's below 1 ton, I think. So 70 horsepower aren't much. They're really low number actually, but it makes good acceleration on such wide car. Acceptable, I can say. Not very good. Not good response in the low RPMs. It just go or no go. Nothing happens when you push it harder or easier. Actually, it's just go or no go. Fourth gear, 300 RPM, but still 3000 RPM, sorry, but still not much of a power. Full throttle I am now. White cars have good performance on the corners, no matter how old and shitty are they. With small tires, but still a nice turning, because there is no much heavy load to be transported from one side to the other side. Okay, let's go again. It like we're racing, as you see. Full throttle. Okay, the car really got too hot, you can see, so that I cannot really continue driving with that overspeed. So I'll keep it calm now in order not to break it anymore. So the car doesn't like high revs. As you see, it starts calming down, and we cannot test the top speed of that car. Actually, I'm really a bit disappointed because I cannot show you the top speed. You can see we calm down to 90 degrees almost. Come on, no, it started going up again, so we have to be careful with the speed. We have this red light off, so we are good with the temperature now. Don't leave me, Citroen ZX, don't leave me on the highway, please. So actually I'll try to accelerate a little bit more to see if we have the temperature rising again or no, but I think the things will not get better. So that was just third gear till the end, and we got this red light on. So actually there is some kind of problem with the engine, I think. Or maybe not enough coolant level, but we'll see that. I'll try to overtake this one. Come on, little Citroen, let's go. 120, and we look like we're gonna fly after a while. So noisy, so exposed, like you're on a motorcycle. Come on, Citroen, bring me home. Whoa, it started going up again. I'll leave it a little bit to calm down. We can really blow this engine just by accelerating on the third gear till the end and the fourth gear, and that's it. The engine will be blown. So almost 30 years old car, and it's not in good condition. You can see it's going straight forward even without I'm touching anything. You can see it still goes straight. Come on! We can see that the fuel gauge is making like this. It's saying I have fuel, I don't have so much fuel, I have much fuel, I don't have so much fuel, and it's going like this. Ding ding. Come on! I didn't know that this highway part is so long. I didn't drive until now with such low speed. We're overtaking, yeah! Look at the face of this woman in that Mercedes. She said, how he can be overtaking me with Citroen ZX? Come on, Citroen, little bit uphill here, and I don't want to burn the engine, so I will not push the pedal more. I'll leave it so that the car still feels comfortable. Well, the car has some interesting power because you feel you feel the speed, but it's kind of different in these old cars. You feel the noise, you feel the engine. The RPMs are really high because of the low-powered engine, and bad performance in the low RPM. So the gearboxes are really short, and you feel the engine noise. You feel the vibration. Everything is moving inside, you can see. So actually with 140 I didn't manage to reach them, but if I reach them I will feel like I'm flying with 200 with a modern car. So we understood that ZCO is a not good option for not good choice for highway top speeding and speeding at all. Come on, don't leave me now. Okay, let's go back. The temperature has been stabilized, so let's go. Full throttle is this. Full throttle on 4th gear. I'll leave it for some time for you to see. Okay, the temperature goes going crazy again, so I'll leave it here. So you can see 130 kilometers with 4,000 RPM, really high rev. Let's see if we can touch 140 without burning the engine. It's a little bit downhill, so maybe possible. I feel that this car will go break apart actually. Some tire may fall or whatever. Some bushing or control arm. Ooh, we are almost 140. Okay, we are reaching some high temps, so I'll leave it to cool down. We are driving in 140 kilometers. Of course, these are not true 140, they are maybe 132, 3. You know, there is some error in the tacho. We are flying. So that is how you feel in a 30 years almost car with 140. It's still okay, but it's too noisy. If you drive several hours with that noise, you'll actually be very tired. No, Toyota Prius has overtaken me and I cannot do anything about it, because I will burn my shit. I pull here the pedal a little bit because it's uphill again. It's strange that this happens actually on 3rd gear, 4th gear on the high speed where there is a water flow. Also, it's really cold outside today. It's not hot, so some tail. Come on, Citroen, bring me home. I know you can. Let's put some heating inside in order to withdraw the heating from the engine inside the cabin. Okay, I will accelerate more. I pushed the pedal to the metal. This is pedal to the metal, bro. And you see how fast it's accelerating. 130. But actually it rides really comfortable. If it wasn't for the noise outside, it will be really comfortable ride. These Citroens know how to do their cars to be comfortable. Okay, I don't know if I can overtake this guy without blowing my engine. Let's see. I think that some piston or anything else from the engine could go out through the hood. So guys, that was driving of this Citroen ZX on the highway, our attempt to get some speed of it, to show you the true top speed, maybe 170 somewhere there, but I didn't manage to do it. because maybe 180, because the house is wide. Really, it doesn't have much power, but it's wide, and the wide cars can go fast actually, but I cannot do it now because I'll burn my engine on 160 kilometers. It will be already burned. So if you want to feel driving illegally fast, buy an old car, put the 5th gear, and with 130 you will be like a god mode. You will be driving like with 200, and you're still legal on the roads with that speed. Nice response, a lot of body roll. You can see the car shakes a lot. Okay, cool down here. Thank you guys for watching. We are approaching the city again. Watch our other videos, accelerations, reviews, and stay healthy guys. Watch our other driving videos. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Bye guys for now, and stay healthy, stay away from this COVID shit, and drive your car. Bye bye.